Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can add phone number to Gmail. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Gmail, and then you need to select the account where you want to add your number. Then you need to click on three bars in the top left. Then you need to scroll down and click on settings. Once you click on setting, you simply need to select your account, and then you need to click on manage your Google account. Okay, and then you need to wait for a few seconds, and then you need to click on personal info, and here you need to scroll down. Okay, and here you can see that password option is showing, and here you can see the option of contact info. You simply need to click on phone, and then you need to click on add now, and here you need to enter your password. So let me enter my password here first, and then you need to click on add now, and here you need to add your number. Click on next, click on get code, and check your number. You will receive a code. So here I am going to receive a code from Google. Copy that code and paste that code here. Click on verify. So you can see that number is added. So this is a process by which you can add phone number to Gmail. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.